I receive it. What do you do for fun?
Spend time with my family is a great time. Spend time hanging out, eating, drinking with friends is a great time. And really enjoy my friends' travel. I love to travel. I enjoy working out, listening to gospel music. Recently, I went and listened to the symphony at the Kennedy Center. I just came back from Jamaica, hanging out with my team. I love to sit and vegetate in front of the TV and look at crazy things, Netflix or whatever, meditate. Jump on a scooter, go all across town. I'm a daredevil, skydiving, and
Skydiving, really?
Yeah.
Okay. I receive it. I'm not that dare or devil.
Right. Jumping off cliffs, right? Yeah, I love that stuff. I love it.
Okay.
Yeah. Skydiving was the latest thing that I did. It was really very interesting. So, I'm very adventurous.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What made you want to skydive?
It was a birthday present.
Oh, okay.
And only because that was the next thing to do. I was skydiving with Caleb, my youngest son.
Okay.
And I'll tell you about that. Skydiving and looking up before it's your turn, and you look up and all you see are these little black dots until the people come into view.
What do you mean?
Like, you look up and you see nothing. You see the plane go up, take people up into the sky, and then you're waiting, then you see these little teeny black dots, like a period. And then you start seeing more form and more form and more form, and you seeing that they're people.
You mean as you drop?
As you drop from the plane, right? And you think, oh my God, they're that high up that they look like black dots in the air, right? And then it's your turn. And you get in the plane, and my son was in the front and I was in the back, and they opened up the door, and my son was like right there. There's no seat belt or anything. And they told him to stand up and come over, and I'm like, that's my child. I mean, we are up at least 10,000 feet, and he is walking with no strap or anything. And I'm like, oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Right. Exactly.
Oh, Lord. This was a mistake. But, everything turned out okay. But when they clip me, they clip you to them, right? Strap you, and then
you're gone.
You're gone.
You didn't have time to think.
Oh my God. But all you feel is this air that's so with force, that's literally pushing your face back, and then you're out there.
And so how, in your mind, was the drop like quick, or like, what were you thinking as you're going to the black dots?
You just go. Like everything is in the moment, right? Like first thing I thought is this a lot of air in my face, so I'm turning my face away from the air. And then, then you're just dropping. And so you have that sensation. And then you're, the parachute, and then everything, you can see everything, like the world, right? And then you're just taking it all in, then it's over.
I have to think about my heart. So,
yeah.
I mean, I got a few more years I want to live.